Hey guys, Nick here from IGN Middle East, and today I have a very special unboxing thanks to the guys at Virgin Megastore. I have with me the McFarlane Toys Fortnite Cuddle Team Leader action figure. Now, if you're a fan of Fortnite, this is definitely something you want to have in your little collection or while you're playing Fortnite. This is one of several figurines you can get at Virgin Megastore. As you can see, this comes with a couple of accessories and it is posable with 22 different moving parts. So let's tear into it and see what it's like inside. That's it for this unboxing video of the McFarlane Toys Fortnite Cuddle Team Leader action figure. Now you can buy your very own action figure at Virgin Megastore, or you can win one with us right here on IGN.com. Simply visit the website or click the link in the description below and you can be the proud winner of this cute little figurine. That's it, but for more unboxing videos and for everything else in the world of gaming, keep it locked right here to IGN.com.